Got that blur there.
Could get me going up it though.
Maybe these are actually people's shoes.
Yoink. Hello MTV, welcome to my crib. This is the bathroom. Here we have the shower. Over here we have the toilet where I take my lots of dookies. Over here we have the baby pen where she sleeps on her clean sheets. Here is my bed where I like to lounge and watch Netflix. See you around. This is my outdoor living area. Here we have the beautiful Sydney landscape, and we have this beautiful leaf wall where I like to chill and drink some wine. See you around.
How come Fortnite's not working?
Hey Hayden.
How are you, Hayden? I can't wait for mealtime.
Oh, there you are.
Hey Lee.
Oh, cheers.
So, how's the wife?
My wife. Hopefully she'll like some drick, bubble, apple and an ingon berry drink. Oh, I love my new house. That's my new decor and... Oh!
Don't look at me.
Welcome back to Hayden's Cooking.
Hi, I'm Hayden Huynh. Today we'll be cooking a delicacy we call...
Bottoms up. Ooh, Miles uploaded a new video.
Wow, what a nice house.
Oh, it gets better. This is a picture of me on my 12th birthday. This is a picture of my mother. This is a picture of my daughter and her sister. This is my grandfather.
Ah!
No, let me in, please. Hi, welcome back to Luca's Book Club. Today we're reviewing Cheryl Middle's Het Summer, which in English is Hot Summer. We'll do a little excerpt. Ayet en vol avpritjet had håndsvept on siggen sarong innan the gik in I hut. Hey, what a beautiful literacy from Cheryl Middenhall. I'm Luca, and this has been Luca's Book Club. Thank you.
Hey Luca, what are you cooking?
We're cooking seniors. Ah, my wages. Get off my bloody lawn. I see you. Has class started yet, sir? Hi, welcome back to Luca's Cooking. Today we're cooking some bratwurst, so let's get it cooking. Alright. I ran out of content. Let that bitch cook. 3 hours.
Yeah, I might go to the bathroom. Luke, what the hell are you doing
in
to
my house? Get out!
No. Like that?
God, you guys still what the hell?
Okay, YouTube, Nina. Where did Luca go? I swear. Hello, this is Hayden Productions.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink?
Sorry, I think you got the wrong number.
That was my winner.
Fuck you.
Luca, what do you think you're doing?
Filipino coladas. I'm getting caught in the rain.
It's in sports mode as well. Action. I don't know where we are. Jesus Christ.
We should get like 4 of them.
Where did he go?